And so we're at the entrance to the Ocean Coral and Ocean Turquesa resorts in Punta Coral, Mexico. These are two all-inclusive properties that are side by side. They're operated by Ocean Hotels, and they have an amazing all-inclusive program. As we go into the lobby, you would have seen off to the right a ramp for wheelchair accessible. And the one thing I would say about these properties is, in general, they seem to be very accessible. We can see the wide open lobby area. Now we've stepped outside the lobby and we're looking on the patio, and it overlooks the ocean, and we'll see a garden area, and then we're also going to see the pools down below. Again, this is an amazing property, and I'm looking forward to staying there.